Hello my friends, welcome to my channel. In this step-by-step YouTube video tutorial, I'm going to discuss how to plot a given discrete time sequence. Here we have two parts. The first part is function definition and the second part is function calling. Part 1, function definition. The file name is myfigure.m and the aim of this program is to plot the given discrete time sequence x of n versus n. The input parameters are n, which is the index, and x of n, which is the discrete time sequence. The output parameter is to graph x of n versus n. Step 1, write the function definition for the plot. So the keyword function and the output parameters are a, b, c, and d, and the name of the function is myfigure, and the input arguments are n, the index, and x, which is x of n. A stem that is plot in discrete time sequence n comma x, n is x-axis and x is the y-axis, and r indicates red color, line width is 3. Now the second one is b, the output argument. B is related to title, and backslash pf means the font is bold, backslash color red means the color is red, and then input discrete time sequence x of n. So this is the title for the given sequence, and the font size is 15. Now the next one is about x level. C, x level, the font is bold, the color is red, and on x-axis is designated by n index, and the font size is 12. The next one, the last one, is y level. The font is bold, the color is red, and it is designated by x of n, and the font size is 12. Legend, that is a key, x of n. The axis is tight, it is bounded by n and x of n values. And grid on, hold on. And the last one is end, which is end of the function. So this is part 2 of the program, and it is function calling. The file name for this one is eet.m, clear all, close all, clc. Then step 2, accept the index n for input dt sequence x of n. So n is equal to input, enter the index for input sequence x of n. The next step is accept the input dt sequence x of n. X is equal to input, enter the input dt sequence x of n. Now we have both input parameters n and x. The next part is function calling. So we call the functions that we have created before, and the name of the function is myFigure n, x, and this is end of the program.